Your check engine light is on. Your infotainment system is frozen. Your transmission is shifting rough. You're about to spend hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars at the dealership to fix these problems. But what if I told you that 99% of these issues can be fixed in 5 minutes without spending a single penny? What if the solution is so simple that mechanics actively hide it from you because it would destroy their revenue stream? I'm about to reveal the reset procedures that Hyundai technicians use behind closed doors, but never teach customers. These are legitimate fixes straight from factory service manuals that dealerships don't want you to know about. They'd rather charge you for diagnostic fees and parts replacement when a simple reset would solve the problem instantly. Reset number 1. The battery disconnect total system reboot. This is the mother of all resets, and it's shockingly effective at solving problems that seem completely unrelated to your battery. Your infotainment screen freezes randomly. Your dashboard warning lights come on for no reason. Your transmission shifts erratically. All of these seemingly different problems often share the same root cause, which is corrupted temporary data in your vehicle's computer modules. Modern Hyundais have dozens of computer modules controlling everything from engine management to climate control. These modules constantly store temporary data and calibration values. Over time, this data can become corrupted. The modules start making decisions based on bad information, and you experience symptoms that make no mechanical sense. The battery disconnect reset clears all of this corrupted data and forces every module to restart fresh. Here's how to do it safely. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off. Locate your battery under the hood. You'll need a 10mm wrench for most Hyundais. Disconnect the negative terminal first. That's the black cable with the minus symbol. Loosen the nut, wiggle the cable connector free, and move it away from the battery post. Now take that disconnected negative cable and touch it to the positive terminal for about 3 seconds. This discharges any residual electrical charge stored in the vehicle's capacitors. Leave the battery disconnected for a full 15 minutes. This gives every module enough time to fully discharge and reset. Walk away from the vehicle during this time. After 15 minutes, reconnect the negative terminal, tighten it snugly, and start your vehicle. Let it idle for about 5 minutes. The engine computer is relearning idle characteristics. After this idle period, take the car for a 10-minute drive that includes various speeds. This allows the transmission computer to relearn shift points. This single procedure fixes an astonishing range of problems. Infotainment freezing disappears. Random warning lights vanish. Rough shifting becomes smooth. Electrical accessories return to normal. Reset number 2. The throttle body adaptation. This reset specifically targets drivability issues that feel like power loss, hesitation during acceleration, rough idle, or poor fuel economy. If your Hyundai feels sluggish or struggles to maintain consistent speed, the throttle body adaptation values are probably corrupted. The throttle body controls how much air enters your engine. In modern Hyundais, it's electronically controlled and constantly adjusts based on learned values. Over time, carbon buildup or software glitches can cause these learned values to become inaccurate. The engine computer thinks the throttle is in one position when it's actually in another, creating performance problems. Here's how to reset the throttle body adaptation. Start with the engine completely off and the key out. Get in the driver's seat and close all doors. Insert the key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. If you have a push-button start, press the button twice without touching the brake pedal. All dashboard lights should illuminate, but the engine should not be running. Now press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for exactly 20 seconds. Don't pump it, just hold it firmly to the floor. At the 20-second mark, release the pedal completely. Turn the key to off or press the start button once. Wait 10 seconds. Now start the engine normally and let it idle without touching the accelerator for 3 full minutes. During this time, the engine computer is relearning the idle position of the throttle body and recalibrating all adaptation values. After 3 minutes, turn the engine off, wait 30 seconds, then start it again. The difference is often immediately noticeable. Acceleration becomes crisp and responsive. That annoying hesitation when you press the gas pedal disappears. Fuel economy improves because the engine is now getting the correct air-fuel mixture. The rough idle smooths out. This reset should be performed after cleaning your throttle body, after replacing air filters, after any service that involves disconnecting the battery, or anytime you notice performance degradation. It costs nothing and takes 5 minutes but solves problems that mechanics would charge hundreds to diagnose. Reset number 3. The transmission learning reset. If your transmission shifts hard, slips between gears, hesitates before engaging, or just feels rough, you might be hours away from an expensive transmission service recommendation. But before you spend thousands of dollars, try this transmission learning reset that technicians use after transmission repairs. Your Hyundai's automatic transmission is adaptive. It learns your driving style and adjusts shift points based on conditions. Sometimes these learned values drift too far from optimal, especially if multiple people drive the vehicle with different styles, or if the battery was recently disconnected. The transmission learning reset forces the transmission computer to forget all learned values and relearn everything from scratch. Start with the vehicle on level ground with the engine at normal operating temperature. Drive around for 10 minutes first to warm everything up. Put the vehicle in park with the parking brake engaged. With the engine running at idle, move the shift lever slowly through every gear position. Go from park to reverse, pause for 3 seconds, then to neutral, pause for 3 seconds, then to drive, pause for 3 seconds, then back to neutral, back to reverse, and finally back to park. Each position gets a full 3-second pause. This allows the transmission computer to verify the position sensors. Now turn the engine off and wait 30 seconds. Restart the engine and let it idle in park for 2 minutes without touching anything. This is the actual reset period where the transmission computer clears learned values. After 2 minutes, you're going to take the vehicle for a specific test drive. Drive gently for the first 5 minutes. No hard acceleration, just smooth and gentle driving. The transmission is relearning shift points. After this gentle period, find a safe stretch where you can accelerate moderately from a stop up to about 45 miles per hour. Then coast back down. Repeat this cycle 5 times. The results can be dramatic. Harsh shifts become smooth. That clunking feeling when the transmission engages disappears. Hesitation is replaced by immediate response. You just saved yourself a potential transmission flush or complete rebuild. Reset number 4. The tire pressure monitoring system reset. Your tire pressure warning light is on. You've checked all your tires. They're perfectly inflated to the correct pressure, but the light refuses to turn off. The dealership wants to charge you $80 to reset the system. Here's how to reset it yourself in 60 seconds. The tire pressure monitoring system uses sensors in each wheel to monitor inflation and alert you to problems. Sometimes after tire rotation, seasonal temperature changes, or just time, the system needs to be manually reset. Different Hyundai models have slightly different procedures. For most models from 2015 onward with an infotainment screen, the reset is done through the vehicle settings menu. Turn the ignition on without starting the engine. Navigate to the vehicle settings menu on your infotainment screen. Look for a tire pressure or TPMS option. Select it and you'll find a reset or recalibrate option. Confirm the reset and the system will take about 30 seconds to relearn. The warning light should turn off immediately or after driving a short distance. For older models without this menu option, there's a manual reset procedure. Make sure all tires are inflated to the correct pressure as listed on the sticker inside your driver's door jamb. Turn the ignition on without starting the engine. Press and hold the TPMS reset button, which is usually located below the steering wheel near the hood release. Hold it until the tire pressure light blinks 3 times, then release. Start the engine and drive at least 25 miles per hour for 10 minutes. The light should turn off during this drive. If neither of these methods works, you might have an actual faulty sensor. But 99% of the time, one of these resets solves the problem instantly. You just avoided an unnecessary service visit. Reset number 5. The infotainment system. Hard reset. Your touchscreen is frozen. Bluetooth won't connect. Navigation has stopped working. The backup camera shows a black screen. Apple CarPlay or Android Auto won't launch. These infotainment problems are incredibly common and incredibly frustrating, but they're almost never caused by actual hardware failure. They're software glitches that a hard reset fixes immediately. The infotainment system in your Hyundai is essentially a tablet computer running specialized software. Like any computer, it can freeze, crash, or develop temporary software bugs. The hard reset forces it to completely shut down and restart fresh. For most Hyundai models, the hard reset is performed by pressing and holding specific buttons simultaneously. With the vehicle on or the ignition in the accessory position, press and hold both the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Hold them for at least 10 seconds. The screen will go black, then display the Hyundai logo as it reboots. Release the buttons and wait for the system to fully restart, which takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Some models use a different combination. Try pressing and holding the power button and the tune knob simultaneously for 10 seconds. Other models require you to hold just the power button for 15 full seconds. The exact combination varies, but one of these will work for your vehicle. After the reset, all your saved settings like radio presets and climate control preferences will be preserved. Only temporary glitches get cleared. Your Bluetooth devices will still be paired, your navigation history remains, and your personalization stays intact. This reset fixes frozen screens, connectivity issues, audio problems, camera failures, and general system sluggishness. It's the first thing technicians do when you bring your car in for infotainment problems. But they'll charge you a diagnostic fee just to press 2 buttons. Reset number 6. The climate control calibration. Reset your air conditioning blows warm air even though the compressor is running. Your heater struggles to get warm. The temperature settings seem completely wrong. One side of the cabin is hot while the other is cold. Before you spend money on refrigerant recharge or blend door actuator replacement, try this climate control reset. The climate control system uses multiple sensors and actuators that need to work in perfect coordination. When calibration values drift or become corrupted, the system can't properly control cabin temperature even though all the hardware is working perfectly. Here's the reset procedure. Start with the engine off and the climate control completely off. Turn the ignition to the ON position without starting the engine. Set the climate control to the coldest temperature setting, maximum fan speed, and fresh air mode. Now press and hold both the auto button and the recirculation button simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Some models use the auto button and the defrost button instead. You'll know the reset worked when you see the climate control display blink or cycle through different modes rapidly. This is the system running a self-diagnostic and recalibration routine. After this finishes, turn everything off, wait 30 seconds, then start the engine and test the climate control normally. The system will now properly control temperature, airflow, and distribution because it's using accurate calibration values instead of corrupted data. This simple reset fixes the vast majority of climate control complaints and saves you from unnecessary repairs. The knowledge that changes everything you've just learned. 6 powerful reset procedures that give you control over your vehicle's electronic systems. The battery disconnect total system reboot that fixes random electrical problems. The throttle body adaptation reset that restores smooth performance. The transmission learning reset that eliminates rough shifting. The tire pressure monitoring reset that turns off stubborn warning lights. The infotainment hard reset that fixes frozen screens. And the climate control calibration reset that solves temperature control problems. These aren't gimmicks or temporary fixes. These are legitimate factory procedures that address real problems at their source. Mechanics know about them, but don't share them because a customer who can fix their own problems is a customer who doesn't pay for service. The next time your Hyundai develops one of these common problems, don't immediately assume you need professional help. Try the appropriate reset first. Give your vehicle's computers a chance to clear corrupted data and start fresh. You'll be amazed how often this solves the problem instantly without spending a dollar. Share this knowledge with other Hyundai owners. Help them avoid unnecessary repairs and empower them to maintain their vehicles more effectively. The automotive service industry counts on customer ignorance to generate revenue. Every person who learns these reset procedures is one less victim of that system. You now have the knowledge. Use it wisely.